No, vamos. Too bad Singapore cannot have duck eggs. Not even more.
是的，